Assalamualaikum and hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Muhammad Muizuddin bin Azlizam, and on today's video I will be showing you guys how to use Autocad. These are the basic things that I've learned during my lab work with Dr. Atun. The first thing I learned is about grid mode. So grid mode is these boxes inside our sheets, as you can see on the screen right now. These are the boxes which are called grids. If I turn it off, the screen will become blank and doesn't have any grids. So I will be turning it back on for better work, better, better understanding. Next is snap mode. This is I've turned on the snap mode so I can show you. Snap mode is when we draw a line. Wait, let me zoom in a little bit. Okay. When we draw a line using snap mode, the line will become straight, as you can see. We cannot move it freely. So it needs to be on the boxes, as you can see. By turning it off, as you can see, we can move freely. We can draw anything that we want. Okay. Next is auto mode. Auto mode is where you can only draw a 90-degree angle. As you can see, I cannot draw, this is 180 and this is 90 degree. As you can see, I can only draw 90-degree angle. Okay, that is auto mode. The scale I will be used for this AutoCAD is 1:1. Okay. Next is I will be showing you guys how to draw a circle. As you can see on the top left corner, there's a circle, so you need to click it. And here you can see there's a command line which says specify center point for circle. So what you need to do is specify where you want to put your circle. So I will be using this part as my center point, and I will drag it to make a circle. Another way to make a circle is by typing circle, and the same thing as specify center point. I will show using this part and type in what you want. So I'm going to type around 1,000, 100, and click enter. Okay, so this one. This is 1,000. Okay, next is rectangle. So as we draw the circle, the same thing happens when we try to draw other objects. At the command line, it says specify first corner point. So I will be using this as my first corner point. And I will drag it, and it says on the command line to specify other corner point. So this will be my second corner point, like that. Okay. Okay, next is I will show you how to do a text. By typing text, it says here to specify starting point. So I will be start over here. And I need to turn off my auto mode. Okay. Now it says to specify the height. So I will be choosing this height and the rotation. Go over here to the right. And now I can type, for example, my name and click. As you can see, this is how to type a text. Okay, next is to measure. As you can see, at the utilities, there's a measure over here. By clicking on it, as you can see, there's quick, distance, radius, angle, area, and volume. So for distance, we can look how the distance of the rectangle. So I will, as you can see at the command line, it says specify first point. So this is my first point, and this is my end point. So we get the distance. We can also search for the area of the rectangle. The same thing at the command line, it says specify first corner point. So this is my first corner point, my second, third, and my last corner point. And click enter. As you can see, we have our area and perimeter. Okay. Next is to search for a radius. So it says on the command line to select arc or circle. So we can select the circle, and we already get the radius and the diameter. And the other thing is also we can look for the angle. So it says here to select arc, circle, line, or specify vertex. So we click on the circle, and it says there to specify second angle point. So I will choose over here as my second center point. As you can see, we get the angle of 242 degree. Okay, next is I will show you how to trim. Okay, I'm going to draw a circle and a box first. So this is a circle, and I will combine a rectangle and a circle. And this is my box. Okay. Escape first. I'm going to move you first. Okay, I will be putting you over here. And if you want to trim, there's a trim here. Click on trim and trim on the object that you don't want to be that you don't want. So here, 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 and here. Okay. Okay. That's all I can do right now. Why can I cutting edge crossing? Okay. Oh, circle I cannot undo circle maybe. Okay, that's new. I didn't know that. Is it really? Wait, let me try again. Or is it because trim again? We'll trim you first, and then you, and you. Ha! That's how you trim it. I don't know why I can't trim that. Select object to trim. I already select you, but you cannot let me. Okay. Well, that is all for today on today's video, and thank you.